Hi, it's Bonnie and Rufus, the Sandlapper RVers. We just thought we'd share with you this hidden gem called Funky Finds. If you're in the area of I-20 and I-95, it's not too far away, so it'd be a good place to stop and take a break. And they do have a good bit of parking. Funky Finds is a family-run business in Florence, South Carolina, and it's a good place to go junking or maybe even antiquing. They've got thousands of items and they're all reasonably priced. We're not affiliated with this store in any way. We just happen to drop in and see all this neat stuff. The inventory changes over quite a bit, and they've got stuff outdoors, indoors, from furniture, CDs, DVDs, glassware, you name it, it's probably there. So enjoy the rest of the photos, and if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.